I got a 2007 Toyota 4Runner. The customer got the radio installed, but there is no sound. So I'm gonna be showing you this plug right there. He bought the right plug, it seemed like. And he also got a Planet Audio. The model number is right down here, P9900CPA. And he hooked it up. There's no sound. So what I'm gonna be doing first, I'm gonna just I'm gonna cap it all. I'm not gonna be using these speaker right there. There's no need for that. It's gonna be using this. Let's test it out, and then let's see what's going on, if it's a radio doesn't send an output or something. And I will show you how to install it also. So I'm gonna cap the crimp, the red, the yellow, and the ground. Now this radio does have a screen, so they always have a brake switch. I'm gonna put a brake switch with the ground. So crimped it, and then since it's got a, let me see if it's got power antenna. No power antenna, so we don't need to hook up the blue wire. This for the antenna. We're just gonna hook up the blue and white to the blue and white right here. Now I'm gonna just plug the main harness. Make sure ain't nothing on the bottom real quick. And then, so if there's no sound, and then we're gonna check, see if the remote send an output. If there's no sound, then he need a different harness. Let's hook it up. So you got the white as left front left, and then you got the gray front right, and then you got the green right left rear, and then you got the right rear right there for the purple. Green left rear, purple right rear. Now I'm gonna plug the main plug in here. All right, put the key on, and then see the radio come on. He's got his AC running, so let's wait for the sound to come on. If it doesn't, we're gonna take a test light. We're gonna test the blue white wire, see if it's got any sound. It doesn't seem like this is gonna work. Nope. Usually you hear like a clicking noise. Okay, this is one of a kind. You're gonna have to buy a different kind of plug for this. I'm gonna test the blue and white wire real quick. I'm gonna look for a good ground. You can use this right here for ground, the antenna. And then I'm gonna test the power right here, see if it's got any power, see if I got the right ground. Okay, so it got 12 volt. And then definitely a red wire, when the key's on, it should be 12 volt. And then now let's see if the remote turn on is got power. Oh, so which mean this is not gonna work. So it's gonna need a different kind of plug. Let's take a look. So you're gonna need one of these right there. It is made by Crux. It is a Toyota replacement module for JBL amplifier system. It does got a SWC that's programming for the steering wheel control. I'm missing one of this piece right here. I don't know where it was at. I seen it, took it out of the box and left it on the side, and it's not there anymore. So I'm gonna try to make it work. Hopefully it works. I might have to do some on and off switch right here too. I gotta go crux.com and check it out. Cruxinterface.com. So what I've done, I install how I hooked it up. I got yellow to yellow. I got blue white to blue white. I got white and white black, gray and gray black. I connected, and then red for accessory, and then I also have black and black. And then if your screen's got a like a screen like that, if it's a screen type, you want to hook up the parking switch with the black. And that's it. That's how you plug it in. And the rest of them, you don't use them. You just tape them. It does not have a backup camera. It doesn't have anything that I have to worry about. So I'm going to just cut the wire and tape them up. Alright, this is a model that you want because you got a steering wheel control and amplifier retention for the Lexus 03 and up. This is the model number SWRTY-61J. I'm going to share you a link. So I'm going to use the mounting kit of a 958202, and you got left and right. So basically you look at it right here, you'll see left. DDXL, and mean it's for left side. So we're gonna put it right there and find the screw for it to put whatever your stereo is. Make sure the screw is not too long. Now for the right one, you'll go match the hole right there and use the screw